Good afternoon, students. Welcome to e-learning class. I hope you all well. After ending your winter vacation, now today we start new chapter. This is your computer period, and today we start new chapter, lesson number 9, MS Paint. Okay. Today we read and explain the chapter, and you also uh, read the chapter after me. Is that clear? And your homework is to read the lesson number 9 once again at home. So, students, open your computer book, lesson number 9, MS Paint. Students, I hope you all have opened your computer book, page number 76. Today we start new chapter, lesson number 9, and lesson name is MS Paint. So I hope you all know the MS Paint. Under this we can draw the diagrams, color the diagrams, paint all the pictures, and under this we have learned various paintbrush, how to open paint program. Okay, so now today we start introduction to paint. Paint is an important part of window accessories in which children love to make painting. Paint paint is the paint window is important. Okay, which children love to paint, draw the diagram and color the pictures. There are some tools in paint which are used to draw pictures. Under this some paint tools is there to draw the pictures. When you draw the pictures, you use pencil, eraser, scale, and many more things. We have learned. And further, under this, fill colors, edit it, and print it on the paper using color paint printer. The paint program can be opened by the following steps. Paint program is open for following steps. There are some steps to open the paint program. Step 1. Click on the start button. When you open your computer, in your computer screen you will see the start button in your left hand side. You click that button. Step 2. Move pointer to the Windows accessories. Then you will open the window accessories. Step 3. Click on the paint option in the menu. When you open the accessories button, click the accessories button, you will show some options in there, and you will select the paint option, and you click the paint option. Now the paint window will open and the screen will look shown on the next page. When you click the paint option, then your paint window will open. See, in your computer screen, the paint window is look like this. Is that clear? At the top of the paint window, you will see the little title bar with default name Untitled Paint, because drawing has no title name and it belongs to the paint. On the second row from the top, there is a menu bar. You will see the top of the bottom. You will see here the option is Untitled Paint. Okay, because there is no name in the drawing. When you draw the picture, you will save that picture with your name or anything. You will look here. When you save the picture, then here you will see that your file name. And in the second row, there is a menu bar. See file and your home views in you will see in the second row. Menu bar shown the option like file, edit, home and etc. Menu bar is there is an option you will see in your picture that file, edit, home and etc. Each of these option has further sub options that can be seen by clicking on any particular menu option. When you click the file, you will see the options file, edit file, save as, and many more things. If some of the components are not shown on your screen, it means they are hidden. If some options are not shown in your screen, that means that options will hide it. If you want these to display, then just click the view menu and select the concert option by clicking. If you want to see that options in your display, then you will click the menu option and you will select the concerned option by clicking them. Is that clear? Students, I hope you all have understood this introduction to paint. So that's all for today. Your homework is to read this once again at your home. If you have any problem, you will ask me. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.